the events and occurrences are going to be weirder and weirder, stranger and stranger, more and more convincing to the eyes, to the mind, to the heart. The objective is to create chaos in order to achieve order. All of the areas them where the Zozos them just put up in the new money, the 8-year-old throat we cut, weirder and weirder and weirder and weirder. Jahshi, oh Jahshi. To the Dan, we don't know how we go. I feel the urge to come all grand spend. Just to come no say, just hold the peace. Whoever are the ones them will call the shots, be the bigger ones. If you call the proper meeting them, we are going to have the proper solutions. Condolences. Jahshi family, tell the people them family were dead. Family sorry. Forgive each other. Them want the blood to start. The time hot, extra. The time extra hot. People health not in the right place. People mind. So it's a mental war. I think we are gonna make your mental go through the roof if you don't know what you do. So take deep breaths. Breathe deep. Count to 10. Even if you are the smaller one, be the bigger one. Whatever it is, all of these distractions is only to keep you away from the fact that they are tampering with your mentality right now. And Jamaica people, we are a lab down here. And read what you want from the little message, yeah? But just pay attention to everything and worse it I get here. No make them fool, you know. Be a distraction closer to God.